I'm not saying donuts fix everything, but I am saying that these pumpkin spice donuts are soft, they're sweet, they're baked, not fried, and they might be the reason I survived my toddler this week. Of course, we're cooking up, as promised, some more pumpkin delicious treats. Also, we're really into football season right now, so I gotta represent. Back to the donuts. These pumpkin spice donuts are super easy, super simple, no yeast necessary, just pumpkin, warm spices, and a little bit of let's treat ourselves this week. Let's start baking some donuts. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray 2 donut pans with baking spray. In a large bowl, mix 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons pumpkin spice, my favorite, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a half a teaspoon salt. Whisk, 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 whisk. Try to get out some of the little lumps. Then whisk, 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 whisk. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of pumpkin puree, a 1/4 cup of whole milk, 2 eggs, boop, boop, a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Whisk, 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 whisk slowly, then whisk, 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 whisk quickly. Add the wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. Make sure to scrape all of the batter out. Then fold it together. Fold, 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 and fold. You can use a Ziploc bag or a pastry bag, but fill it with the batter. This will make your life way easier. Seal it, cut off the corner, and let's fill the donut tin. Shake, 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 shakey, shake. Let's boop them into the oven. They're supposed to make a dozen donuts. My batter didn't go that far. Bake for 10 minutes. While they're baking, let me tell you, the best part about these donuts is they take 10 minutes to bake. 10 minutes. That's about the amount of time I can distract my toddler with Daniel, Tiger, and some puffs before I hear, are they ready yet? Boop, 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 boop. You can glaze them, sugar them, eat them plain. You decide how you want to eat your donut. I'm not here to judge. I'm just here to boop. I'm gonna sugar them. Mix a cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Whisk, 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 whisk to make the cinnamon and sugar topping. Okay, you want to glaze them first with the butter. Glaze them up. And then just right in there, toss it around. The more butter you put on, the more it'll stick. Yum. Donuts are done. Now time for the best part, tasting it. I got my coffee as usual. I got my donut. Let's do this. Whoa. I kind of want to say, holy. These, they're cinnamony, they're sugary, they're pumpkiny, they're not greasy. They're everything that you want in a donut, in a baked good, in your life. Bake these, bake these. Your kids will love them, your family will love them. Sip of coffee. Here's to pumpkin spice, here's to surviving another week. Here's to 5 minutes alone before your kids realize the donuts are done and they need one. Boop that bell and subscribe and join me for more delicious treats. Happy baking. Ooh, fall baking. I mean, this is really freaking good.